Hey guys, this is Ankur Jaswal. This is my first review about a mobile phone on this channel. I have done reviews before, but they were all in a background voice, more of it. First time I'm coming into the camera, okay, it's gonna be great. So today we are going to see the Magnus Bharat 5. It's launched today in India. It's around 5,500 bucks Indian rupees, and we are going to see how it's looking today. So the best thing about this phone is the price. We are getting a lot for the price. The price in India is 5,555, and obviously there will be discounts and a lot more offers. So this phone is launching in India today, and it will be available offline, not in any online platforms as of today. And so the first thing I talked about was the best thing, and that was the price. But for that price, we are getting a lot. So the first of the lot, it's the 5000 mAh battery that we get from that 5.2 inch phone. 5000 mAh is a lot. I mean, Micromax says that there's like load shedding in parts of India, which will help in for the folks who need to charge from time to time, and this battery may uh, go on till 2 days. So it's a good advantage. I don't see 5000 mAh to last 2 days. Looking if you're an enthusiast who uses your phone for gaming, cameras, and a lot of stuff. Photo editing also takes a toll. So 5000 mAh is a god battery life. And the second best thing is it has a tie-up with Vodafone now. All the folks, all the manufacturers that target India have that marketing trend, like get this many GBs of data. So here also we have nice offer of the Micromax Vodafone. So let's start seeing the specifications of the Bharat 5. So it's a pretty nice 5.2 inch phone, not a phablet, but 5.2 inch is a pretty good size for that price. It has dual cameras on the front and back. By dual I didn't mean two back cameras, and it both are 5 megapixel, which is pretty decent. You won't get that professional photos, but you will get good photos, pretty good for a selfie shots at least. It has a quad core processor which is of 1.3 gigahertz, and 4 cores for 1.3 gigahertz is pretty damn good. The chipset is not yet known yet, but uh, one thing is for sure that 4 cores 1.3 gigahertz, it's going to be fast. The downside is it's the RAM, 1 GB RAM, DDR3 RAM. It's pretty low. uh, yeah, cost wise you will get 1 GB only, but yeah, 1 GB should be quite enough for the apps that you use day to day. Gaming is also gonna be good for 1 GB, but you won't run quite a lot of processes altogether, and 1 GB would save a lot of battery life too. So 5000 mAh, now it feels like it won't last 2 days. So the last but not the least, it's a 4G phone. Yes, it's a 4G phone, but I doubted if you can afford 4G bills in India. You don't really need to buy this phone. You get a better 20,000 phone, but yeah, it supports 4G. Next thing is the basic features. It supports Bluetooth. It has an audio jack. Remember that Pixel 2 doesn't have has an audio jack, and it has a micro USB. It has 16 GB inbuilt memory and expandable up to 64, which is great. And it's a phone which, if you are in a limited budget, if you can't spend a lot, if you want a phone around 5k Indian rupees, it's a pretty damn good phone. And it's made by the Indian company Micromax. I'm not comparing this phone to any other phones that are available around that range, but we'll have that video soon. So do like and subscribe if you want to watch that first. Well, my personal views on this phone is I like the design. It's a pretty good design. It looks like a premium phone, and Micromax always does well it had huge Jackman as their ambassador once. I'm not sure if he's there right now, but the design and looks is pretty good. Doesn't look like a 5000 range phone. Other personal use would be when I bought my first phone back in 2012, the Nexus 4. Uh, I was looking for a phone around 25k, and I got it. Nexus 4 was the best deal that around. But that was a phone. I'm not sure the model number, the name, but it was a Micromax phone which was around 4.5 to 5 inches, and it was pretty damn good. And it was a raging fire around my college and all of the folks in the city. It was quite popular. I hope Micromax does well. I mean, I support Micromax. Probably the low end market is being acquired by them is pretty good in India, especially. I hope it does well for the flagship phones in the coming future. All the best. That's it for today. Keep subscribing, liking the channel, and I'll try my best to give in more videos in the coming years. Thanks, guys. Thank you.